Hey, it's Dave at Green Meadow. I want to talk to you a little bit about mushrooms today. What is a mushroom and why is it in your lawn? So mushrooms come up from little red fruiting bodies in the soil. What's happening is something below the surface, whether it's an old stump, an old root, just something organic below the surface is just starting to rot and die. And boom, here comes the mushroom. Nothing wrong with your lawn, it's just got mushrooms. It'll go away as you mow it. By the way, there is no such thing as a mushroomicide. Nobody's gonna put something down that's gonna kill your mushrooms. Good news is, mushrooms aren't gonna kill your lawn. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay well, stay safe.